Hi everyone, I was gifted this folding pocket knife by Zinging, and I'm going to open it up and show you what it looks like and tell you about the features that it has. Okay, so here's a closer look at it. This is very smooth, it's well oiled already. It has a lock feature, so once it's opened up, it won't close or fold up on you. If you want to close it, you just press this button here and it easily closes and locks into place. There is a spot to hang it from your pants there, so if you want to put it on your pocket, you can. And there's a lanyard hole right there, so you could use it with a lanyard. It comes with this cleaning cloth, and it fits nicely right into its case. It also comes with a little instruction manual. This is a great folding pocket knife. I feel safe with it. It's compact, easy to use, and I recommend it.